Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how buy crypto in Binance full guide. Create an account, verify identity, and enable two-factor authentication before funding your wallet. Next, fund your Binance wallet using a bank transfer, card, or crypto deposit from another exchange. Choose the right market type like spot or P2P, then place a buy order using market or limit options. Monitor fees and confirm the transaction, then move funds to secure storage. Funding your Binance account can be quick and flexible depending on your needs and location. Bank transfers often provide lower fees and better limits, while cards give instant access with slightly higher cost. If you already hold crypto, depositing from another wallet avoids fiat conversion fees and can be faster. Always double-check recipient addresses, network types, and expected processing times to prevent mistakes and delays with your funds. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and help others find it too. Quick recommendation. These leak-proof meal prep containers make meal prep easy and keep food secure while you track markets or work at your desk, plus they stack nicely in a small fridge. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Placing an order on Binance is straightforward once you understand the types and timings. Market orders fill instantly at available prices, which is useful for quick buys. Limit orders let you specify a price and wait for execution, which can reduce costs. Use stop loss and take profit to manage downside and secure profits without watching the screen constantly. Review order confirmations and fee estimates before submitting each trade to avoid surprises.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.